Hey guys, it's yours truly. This is New Trains Part 61, um, HO Galore. So, in this episode, I'm going to be talking about all these HO trains here that I've been purchasing over the last couple of months. I have very limited space on my phone, so I'm going to kind of run this off really quick. So, these are all my Ulrich GS drop bottom gondola kits right here. And I've been buying them and building them over several months. And there's different variations, Minneapolis and St. Louis, a couple Sioux Line cars, a UP car. I have two variations of the Great Northern car. So this variation with the angled top, and then the regular version here. And I think this is rarer than the rest of them because I've only seen one Ulrich kit that has this. And what I've been doing is I've been adding roller bearing trucks to them, and then Katy coupler boxes. Some of them already had Katy couplers, so I didn't really have to do much with them. This one here is the only ER and W one that I have. This was a kit that came with extra doors, so I used the extra doors for this car to rebuild this car, which was a restore or repairable car. Let's see. These two cars came from that Greenberg train show a while ago, along with this Great Northern car. This car, and the gondola came from Stroudsburg, so this is my Penn Central High Cube box car. It's an Athearn Blue Box kit. And then this is my Texas Mexican boxcar, which is a roundhouse kit. And then I think this is a old roundhouse kit too, this PC gondola right here. I'm just using it to hold extra coupler boxes and whatnot. And then this is a Bowser N8 caboose. I put Kato roller bearing trucks on it and swapped out the couplers for Katy Whisker couplers. This is my other variation of the Milwaukee Road ribside caboose. So I had the brown version and then this version here. And then this engine and this engine here are my two custom Kato SD40-2s. I got these from Stroudsburg as well. They're fully detailed, MU cables, grab irons, horn relocation, custom paint obviously. I paid $70 for both, so well, $140 for the pair, and they're pretty cool. I like them. And then I also got this U30C. I think it's a U30C from Stroudsburg as well. I paid $70 for it. It's got the jewels for the marker lights and ditch lights. It's my first and only Guilford engine that's an Atlas unit. Then from Nicholas Smith Trains, I actually got some more Bowser ballast hoppers. So I got, can't really see it, but this is one version of the Chicago and Northwestern. So this is that version. And then I got this version because, that's me. I like getting variations. And then this is my Grand Trunk Western car. This is my first Grand Trunk Western ballast hopper too. So I got those. And then finally, from my friend Radisson, I got my very first Intermountain Midsouth GP10. He actually custom painted and detailed this. And yeah, it's a great engine. So that's that engine right there. And it actually looks really good. Looks great next to my custom painted M420 AC. So this engine is the one that Radisson did, and then this one is the one that Matt did. Matt? Yeah, I'm pretty sure his name is Matt. Yeah, I should remember, but yeah. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I know I kind of rushed this video a little bit, but running out of space on my phone, so I had to keep it kind of short. So you guys be cool. I hope to see you guys again soon. More videos will be coming up, and these will probably be a ballast train service. So I'm working on getting my ballast fleet pretty much wrapped up. So stay tuned for more updates. Bye, y'all.